Welcome everybody, and thank you for tuning into StampTV. I'm Kristin Stampini, and today I'm here to share with you the top 6 things to do with the business immediately after the lockdown. Let's get started. As the country equips to come back to regularity in the midst of dread of financial and well-being emergencies, organizations, particularly SMEs and MSMEs, are ideally anticipating government support, charge occasion, and a few changes that can assist them with improving the progress while the arrangements of the government support sooner rather than later. Stable, promising, there remains a ton that should be taken on the ground level. So the COVID-19 emergency has affected a few regions of present day life and changed the very configuration of living and working. Be that similar to each circumstance, this emergency has additionally a silver coating which quickened, acknowledged new age innovation, standard tasks of feeling in businesses and individual lives, and a soul to beat the provokes tossed to us as a brought together worldwide populace. For organizations, particularly the SME, these difficulties can appear to be negative and even deadly. Be that as it may, whenever drawn near deliberately, these can be survived. It is essential to comprehend and organize key focuses as recorded here, which can be useful in smooth and effective business change post the lockdown, which we're in now. So customer engagement is number 1. The client is one of the most fundamental partners for any business, and subsequently captivating with your clients following the lockdown, which is right now, is crucial. So from educating them about your organization, continuing tasks, guaranteeing them of your constant association and administrative best case scenario characteristics, to being available to give them redone administrations that will suit the present need of the client in the post-lockdown. Time could be vitally important aspects of this engagement. So, number 2, human resource planning. Definitely, at the end, the workers are the second most crucial resource for any association. Consequently, compelling HR arranging is significant, from redoing jobs and rebuilding groups, offering WFH alternatives, and so on that can promote both representative fulfillment and upgrade their exhibition, can go far in working up a strong business system. 3, stakeholder engagement. Reevaluating marketing and communication campaigns such that is relevant to the post-lockdown era is essential in the general achievement of the business. From employees and buyers to financial specialists, sellers, and partners, it is important to inform and guarantee them of the revival of office administrations and work to make arrangements that offer a commonly helpful workplace. 4, financial planning, very important. Economic crisis at the worldwide and national level is one of the most dreaded and foreseen effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, as marketing and HR reorganizing, it is critical to dissect and strengthen the organization and rethink the likely arrangements for the business. Make sure you communicate that to the staff, though. These may include auctioning off stakes, different things, rebuilding your workplace. But you know what? You got to make sure that you keep everybody in the loop that works for you. I've seen organizations that have let go of people that have been in working for them for 15 plus years and didn't even communicate it to them, where they could have been looking for a job. So make sure that you're communicating to your employees every step of the way if you are going to reorganize your organization. These things are very beneficial to make sure that you're taking care of people. People are first. This COVID pandemic has us all learning, okay? You know, things that we have done more education for our clients. We have made sure that we are top notch for them, that we are trying not to lose them in any circumstance whatsoever. So it's just educating your people, really caring, reaching out, support, you know, through everything, making sure you're taking care of your people. And things will always come back to you if you take care of other people. You have to make sure that there's confidence for the customers, whatever business you're in. Leveraging technology is an important detract from the pandemic. And, you know, it's innovation in current business. This is the time people will really innovate. Independent of the size of the business, it is critical to make a nimble, applicable, and powerful innovation-based biological system to work productively after the lockdown that we're in right now, presenting more to update frameworks, procedures that influence the best in current innovation, you know, can go far in sustaining your business and even making it better. So, you know, a lot of businesses aren't going to make it, and it's very sad. And the ones that aren't willing to reinvent and innovate are many of the ones that aren't going to make it through all this at the end. You know, make sure you're training your employees even more. This is very important. You have seen an unprecedented crisis, and if you don't learn from it, there is no way your business will survive it. So be prepared for an alternate course of action, which represents how individuals should function in such situations. Make sure nobody's at work if they're sick. You know, at the point when your employees return, if some are not at work now, help them in changing carefully and taking care of themselves, and equip them with tips that will assist them with working from home without any problem if that's what they have to do. You know, there's so many things that we need to look at today. And thanks again for tuning into my channel. If you'd like the videos, you know, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, click the bell icon so you'll receive instant notifications every time we post a video every week. Thanks so much. Thanks to you for joining. Have a great day, everybody.